Hello guys, today we will learn about how to import Excel file in our studio. To do that, we need to install a read Excel package. So you can just type the code install.packages and quotation read Excel, and you can run it. If you have already, then just library the read Excel package, and now you can import your Excel file in three ways. I will show you one by one. First, you can import your Excel file from manually. Just click on import dataset and click on from Excel, and you will see a window opened here. And from here, just click on browse, and you can choose your Excel file from this one. Okay, in this way you can import your data file, your Excel file in our studio. Now we will go for the second way, where I just provide the name of the dataset as a data, and type the code is read excel, and type file.choose. And if I run this function, we will see a window opened here, and from here you can import your Excel file easily. You can see that my data file is here. Now we will go for the third way, or automatic import the Excel file. Before first two options are you need to provide manually import your Excel file. Now we will try to use the directory system to import our dataset. So we will just provide a name in our data file to import in our environment. The same command I have written, read Excel, and now I paste my directory where is my file is located, or Excel file is located. And you can find the location from the direct from the from here. Just copy the directory, and you can paste it here, and change the slash backslash into slash, and provide the name of the Excel file. And you can see that my Excel file name is dot xlsx, or I can give it that boxplot dot xlsx. Just need to type boxplot dot xlsx. So if I run this, you can see that my data one file is here, and if I view this one, you can see my data file is there. So in this way you can import your Excel file in RStudio. However, if you don't know how to take the directory, basically uh, this directory, if you did find it, there are one another way. Just click on import dataset, and click on from Excel, and click the uh, and import your Excel file. Okay, open it here, and you will see that the code is previewed here. Boxplot read Excel, and this is the directory, and this is the name of your file, just as I written there in the directory function. Or you can just copy this code, and you can paste it, and if you run these codes, and it will automatically collect the excel file. And if you use the view function, view function, and you can view your data set. So in this way you can import your excel file. Thank you guys.